Amazon best-selling TICARVE Cleaning Gel for car. The product buying link in this video description. Perfect for car cleaning, dust cleaning gel for the car is perfect for cleaning the nooks and crannies in your car or truck. Cleaning car gel cleaner is super great to get into the vents and little crevices on the car air vents, steering wheels, console panel, storage bins, cup holders, door handle, and dashboards to pick up the dirt. Easy to use, take out the dust cleaning gel with dry hands and knead a few times. Press the car vent cleaner slightly on the dust surface and pull out the car cleaning putty slowly. The dirt would be carried away with the car cleaner slime. Reusable, cleaning gel for car interior can be used multiple times till the color of the car goo cleaner car jelly cleaner turns dark. After use, just put the car goop cleaner back into the jar and sealed storage in a cool place below 104 degrees Fahrenheit. High-tech material. Car slime for cleaning is made of high-tech cleaning material with lavender scents. Cleaning glue for car sticky dust, but not sticky to hands. Car cleaning goo picks up dust and debris and leaves no residue. Brand new package. All TICARVE car putty cleaners are sold brand new. If you find that the package is opened or damaged, the cleaning gel is dirty, or any other issues, when you receive the cleaning gel putty, please message us in time. We will give you a full refund and send you a new replacement.